All right, there we go. Oh, geez. Sorry, guys. This won't be a long stream. I'm just looking for a quick trade today. I will probably make this in the short, but let me do my analysis. I kind of created the liquidity already. You can see right here. This is my higher time frame. This is we're currently moving upwards right now. Okay, let me go ahead and draw the break of structure that occurred right here. We had a break of structure right here. We have a change of structure down here. Okay. We have that fair value gap down here as well. We're most likely it's going to grab that liquidity from that order block. This is again the higher time frame. You can see it's the 5,000 tick right here. Let me open the chat. All right, there we go. So this won't be a long stream. I can't do the 5-minute analysis. I already messed up this count. I traded on it accidentally yesterday. So I kind of ruined my own challenge, which sucks because I forgot to name it something separate. So I don't know if you could see that. No, you can't. Okay. Well. So we're looking at the price right now. We have a gap right here. We have the liquidity that was just grabbed right here. 5,000 tick. We're still continuing upwards. I do think we're going to get rejected before we grab this next liquidity. Or maybe we might continue up to this. We have that one and we have this one. I'm just bullish. I'm just kind of grabbing, using these liquidity zones as target levels. Let me go ahead and see if there's anything on the 500 tick. So we are pulling back. This is, I would say this is a previous range. Not really. It's a pretty strong order block. If you trade based off those. Let me see. Almost a perfect order block right here. Still showing weakness. It sucks that this was already in such a strong trend. I do think this will come back up and grab this liquidity right here before continuing downwards. But we'll see. Man. Did we grab? We did. That's a really good rejection. Not only did we grab, we did change the general direction. I still think we have more to move down to, so I'm not going to enter yet. And technically, this was a lower low. We can see right here, yeah, lower low. We created a break of structure right there. This is truly, if we want to see a break higher, oh, there's the move. There you go.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm in this position for 5 contracts. I'll add to the contracts if I want, if I need to. This is a high chance of rejecting and moving upwards.
Order filled.
I mean, rejecting, moving downwards. Okay. So it did what I thought it would do. What is this? Oh, that's unfortunate. Just waiting to see how this reacts. This looks like it's just going to be bearish moving down. I can actually... So sadly, the higher time frame... Yeah, it's moving straight down. If I could see some sort of retest right here, I might take a risk of a bearish trade. No retest, it's just moving straight down. Wow. Let's see if I can get a... See if I can fix this. This is the challenge account that I was losing on. Let's see if I can fix this. There we go. Wait, no, it's a little bit off. Crap. No. No. There you go. That's right on. All right. What are we doing here? We have not yet pulled down yet to where I want to see. Sorry, that's why that gave me a chance to fix everything I needed. I'm still bearish. We did grab it by a wick up here. I'm still bearish in terms of it moving down further here. Roughly around this area right here is where I'm looking at a rejection. So let's see how this reacts. Did we grab it yet? This is a strong rejection. Jesus Christ. I don't know necessarily how high this could go. But I am looking for some weakness of some sort of my strategy to appear here. All right. Let's see if this appears here. It gives me a setup right here. I might be in. Still holding. I want to see a rejection before I enter this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, we got stopped out. That's boo. I'm trying to recover this account. But it's an equal. Oh, what am I doing? Comes up. This is the first leg. First leg liquidity right there. We did close below it. Not convincingly. I need to track something. I need to figure this out. So this was kind of equal highs, this liquidity here. And that was within this previous structure right here. I still think we have more bearish momentum to go from this area. What's up, Levi? How's it going? How are we doing today? Oh, that was an entry. I think I missed it.
Order filled.
Oh, crap. That's not a great risk to reward, though. We'll be honest. This is not a good risk to reward at all. This is a 1-to-1. But it's part of my strategy, so I have to take it, sadly. See if I can make it better. I might target a little bit higher. Okay, so we grabbed the liquidity. I need to move this to break even now. Probably will stop me out. If it doesn't, that will be good. Yeah, we're getting stopped out. If this doesn't show me a green candle.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's fine. Break even. We just changed structure right here on the 100 tick. I usually don't like trading the 100 tick time frame. It moves way too quick for a great analysis, but the benefits of it is I can get some trades in because I'm a little bit late today. I got stuck running some errands. Let's see if this gets. Ooh, that's a fun move. How are you doing, Levi? This is more just for my own sake right now. What is this move? Oh, wow, why is that so off? This is not really possible to predict currently for me. I know it's bullish, but I can't really read the market when it's skipping candlesticks like it's doing over here. Oh man.
But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain.
So? No, man. Not yet. I'm very bullish on this move temporarily. I'm waiting for it to grab this higher liquidity. I think I was looking at just these as target levels right here. I don't know if you can see clearly. These are target levels, but what it's showing me currently is... All right, give me 1 second. There you go. I can hear myself. What it's showing me currently is it's not really moving in the direction that I want to see. It hasn't given me any of my setups yet. If you want to see, here's a very basic version of my setup, but I'm going to close it back in a second. So that's a basic version. You can go back and pause if you want to see. It says 100 ticks. That's kind of like a mimicked lower time frame. I usually use the 500 just for more stability in my trading. But right now it's trending a lot for buys, but it hasn't given me any really great areas for buys based off my strategy. This would have not been a bad entry right here if you trade order blocks. Especially with how much this market's trending. This is not my main account that you're seeing right here with the balance, market limit loss. This was the challenge account that I was doing for it in the YouTube shorts, and what ended up happening is it broke. Not broke, but like I broke the rules by accident. I traded on it as my normal account accidentally. It's just extremely bullish. I don't think I'm going to be able to find a trade. At this point, I might as well just enter a trade and take a 1-to-1 upward to the bullish side. That's going to give me a way bigger percentage. That's not a recommendation. I'm just... We'll see if it gives us anything. I primarily only trade this in gold. This is NASDAQ, and I trade only NASDAQ in gold. Nothing really on gold that I can see. Let me look at it actually one more time. I think I might have... Yeah, nothing I like. We are bullish on gold. Strong rejection. Liquidity up here. Maybe a temporary pullback. I could see this reaching all the way up to here for gold after having a pullback. Maybe doing something like this. I don't have an exact area up here, but something like that is what I'm expecting for gold. Unless something changes with the water. Yeah, I feel like it needs to pull down a little bit more over here. Even though we retested back into this trend. Grab liquidity here. That's what my expectation is. We grabbed... What happened is we rejected based off the low right here. And then this is the high. the previous high. So since we grabbed this high and we failed and we came straight to the low, that gives me pretty high likelihood chance that it's going to be bearish. And then it's in my discount zone using the Fibonacci. Again, this is all statistics. This is the highest likelihood zone of rejection to give you the best risk to reward. So if you see a bearish highest point of where it touches, but even a bearish engulfing candle, mine's based off of just entering at the 0.2 and just taking a sell and putting my stop above the high, because that gives you the best risk, and then targeting a 1.2, a 1.4, and 1.6 for exit points. For my other strategy, ever since I've been doing a lot more analysis with it, this thing's still moving up. Jeez. It's showing some weakness now. I don't actually like where this is, but I do like the fact it is rejecting now at the high of this trend. I'm pretty sure this is the last true high and low that we had. That's a lie. This is the last one that we had and we broke above it. Trending upwards right here. That's the reason why this had more of a rejection than down here did. Pulling back up, because this is the last time where it kind of followed the pattern of rejection. Because everything beforehand retested. See? And then after that, it never really pulled back up. So that's why that had a stronger move higher. Potentially, that's why it had a stronger move higher. And this is why this consolidated a lot more. Gives me a setup or anything?
Hey, what's up? Oh, just scrolling on ZocDoc looking for an in-network therapist to help with my ADHD. This review says Dr. Hamilton is a patient listener.
That sounds good.
No.
What the heck is going on? Sorry, I had to mute that because of the ads. Okay, so we pulled above again. So the high. We get an instant rejection, I might be interested. Okay.
Order filled.
There you go. $120, targeting 300. Decides to work out. I probably target farther, but I don't want to take the risk of targeting too much. This is going to come down and retest further in this trend. That's what it's going to do. If it's going to retest right here after grabbing this liquidity, that's what it's going to do. Stop me out. It's not a great entry by any means.
Order
Oh, I
filled.
don't love that. That sucks. I'm kind of forcing things, but that's okay. I kind of need to be aggressive with this one. Wait, that tapped me out? Wait, what? That wasn't even a wick tap out. That sucks. That was a good entry, even on the 500 ticks. For at least a retest back into the range. It's just so bullish, and that's the issue, is I get caught out against the higher time frame trend sometimes. Oh, it's going to trick me again, isn't it? It's just so bullish, dude. It's so strong. We have the wick right here, consolidation, movement higher. At this point, it's just better to take a trade bullish setup. Okay, so we are pulling back in the range. Oh, we did tap too. Oh my gosh, and I missed it. Ah, that's annoying. That was the entry I needed. That sucks. It's coming straight up to this line that I had over here. Maybe I can get a clear order block right there. Dude, what is going on? Oh, my music.
Cause I know that you never meant all the things that you said to me. Froze my heart in uncertainty. Go ahead, hit the club or something, make sure that I'm here to face it all. Brave or afraid, I will feel the fall.
Okay, so we grab some more liquidity here. Dude. We held. I'm gonna make sure this is accurate, sorry. Yeah, of course it's not. Of course it got dragged up.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm going for a 1 to 2. Really hope the order block doesn't play. We're so bullish, and I know I'm counter trend trading constantly, but eventually it's going to show me a pullback. Don't love that. Don't like that at all.
Order filled.
Let's hope that rejects. Should have exited a hole, but I mean, that's fine. Not great risk reward, to be honest here.
Did you hear?
I'm listening.
Foundeo Orforglipron is now approved.
Really?
Yes, really.
You see that break.
Foundeo is now approved. Talk to your doctor.
Oh,
about
dude,
the
really?
daily pill from Lilly.
Oh, that's bad. That's coming straight back up. Okay,
Order
let me close
filled.
that.
$49 a month. Visit LillyDirect.com for full terms and conditions.
All right. Well, I took out all the failed, the past 3 failed trades, which is good with that one trade.
Hey Spotifyers.
Moving
Take
back
the time
in.
To listen to Morning Coffee. Grab your coffee and ease into the day with this light blend. Brought to you by Nespresso.
It's gonna come down lower.
The new virtual up. Every coffee, a new world.
Might re-enter if I see a second entry.
Enjoying your first day off and forever. Then
This
your
is so
body
much strength,
triggers
though.
wind
Yeah,
buzzes.
no.
The window's been broken at home and you're miles away. In 1 second, everything can change. That's why ADT offers security systems with 24/7 monitoring with tech that helps first responders prioritize your emergency. And with the ADT
This is just so bullet. This is so much strength right now.
From virtually wherever you are.
So
When
much
every second
strength.
counts,
Which honestly, it makes sense.
Visit ADT.com to learn more.
Because we showed so much weakness during this morning and last night. But God, there's literally, I can listen to one song before I get 4 ads. They have made Spotify so bad. It's ridiculous. They've made it so bad.
Oh, I'm intoxicated. I got a legend on the way. I'm falling for you, baby. What can I do to make you stay? The baseline's taking over. We've come too far to turn around.
I'm almost at the point of just picking one trade and just going all in on this account because I really don't feel like building this one up. I have another account I'm working on slowly. It's doing okay. It's just kind of stagnating recently. We did create a lower low here. Oh my gosh. I am so glad I didn't enter anything there. Oh my god, this market sucks. I'm just joking. But no, in all seriousness, it's kind of crazy what that just did. Yeah, I'm having a bad habit of counter trend trading because I keep on believing the trend could reverse, which is not the right way to think about this. I don't care about anything until we reach back into here. We didn't actually close below there. This is crazy, dude. This would be a dream if I was a trend-based trader. Be an absolute dream. Huh. We can get any retest before the market opens. Oh, there it is. Get a retest here. Okay. Dude, I don't think there's a way to predict this right now. But this could be a good setup if it gives me the entry on the 500 pip. Tick, sorry. Because we're close to 4 o'clock. So usually there's a retest towards the end of the day. I couldn't predict this though if I wanted to. Holy crap, dude. Technically we switched directions, so should be bearish. Oh, and we closed higher. Holy, what is going on with the... It's just impossible when it can't... Okay, I need to figure out if there's a setting for this. Give me 1 second. There has to be a setting for me to for it to show me quicker. For the refresh. Yeah, why does it keep on going? No, fast. Thank you. I mean, we technically created a lower low here. Officially, I think we did create a lower low here. I can't read this to save my life though if I wanted to. Holy crap.
And then make it happen. And even when the world slows down, that thirst doesn't sleep. If you want your game to do the talking, say less. If you want a refreshing drink, Sprite. Obey your thirst. Click or tap the banner to learn more.
Jesus, man. This might come lower.
Anywhere. What about fancy places like the Canopy in Paris?
Yeah, Hilton Honors, baby.
Or
I think it will grab. That's 1, 2.
Hilton Honors, baby.
Usually after 2 attempts, 2 to 3 attempts, it will reject and come lower. The first attempt is usually a fake out. So we'll see if this holds and decides it wants to come up. If it shows some strength, then I'm looking at that liquidity above here.
Or staycation. Start your summer with Blink Smart Home Security.
Oh, there you go. We got some strength.
Make answering the door a breeze. Hit the road knowing your whole yard is covered with crisp 2K views.
We holding? Are we failing? Are we moving higher? Are we moving lower?
Get peace of mind and savings for a limited time at Amazon.com/Blink.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down.
Order filled.
All around this empty town, I'm searching for the lost and found.
Let's see if I can get a weird trade here. I'm willing to take a 1-to-1 here to see if I can get a move trade, and I'll move it to break even once we give confirmation. If we give confirmation, sorry. Okay, that's the lowest I want to see it go, is right here. If it comes lower, oh well, I get stopped out.
Order filled.
Okay. That means we're coming lower. Failed to break higher, coming lower. Don't want to take that risk yet, though. It's just very hard to predict right now. Create a higher high, failed to make a lower low. Failed to make a higher move higher. Succeeded the last time to move higher. We're moving higher. Let's see how it reacts right here. We did create a higher high here. This is technically a setup. We rejected, continuing higher here. Okay, this is the confirmation.
Order filled.
Holy crap, we just got... No, that
Order
sucks.
filled.
That sucks so much. Oh, that sucks so much, dude. I could have had a lot more there. What, did that even hit? Oh, that's a little bit scummy. That's a little bit scummy. Here's my setup right here.
Order filled.
Okay, this is an actual setup. I've been a little bit aggressive, only slightly aggressive. I'm looking for further confirmation. This should be a move down though. I can't read this. I cannot read this the one bit though. It's just very hard. Okay, it's 4 o'clock now. This should slow down. No retest, please. No retest, please. No retest? Question mark? No, we're retesting. Sick. I need to go ahead and exit partials.
Order filled.
I'll let the rest run as long as I can go. Actually, I'm just gonna exit it right here. Call it a day.
Order filled.
There you go. All right. Well, that was fun. Don't even talk to me about how... I don't even know how I read that right there. I've had so many lost trades today. The fact I was able to read this right here is horrid. That's horrid. That's so hard. I usually try not to trade at the last 5 minutes of the market, but I'll take the profit. See you guys later. I'm recovering this terrible challenge account. How bad I done on the challenge account. You know, in hindsight, it was a good idea. I think my execution was bad in terms of how I was editing the videos. So I might try something else. I might just try to start recording while I stream and then just put music over trades I take. I might just try that approach for shorts. And maybe put a little description on there of what's going through my head. And I'll post both fails and wins. I can't do it today. I forgot to actually record it and not just stream it. But